If an atom bomb exploded today, what would really happen? Would our cities survive? Would life ever be the same again? In this video, we'll explore the science behind a nuclear explosion, its effects on people, nature, and our planet. This is not fiction, it's pure science. Welcome to Rehman Science, where we explain the truth behind the world's most powerful forces. Section 1. What is an atom bomb? An atom bomb, or nuclear bomb, works on the principle of nuclear fission, the splitting of atoms. When atoms of uranium or plutonium split, they release a massive amount of energy in a fraction of a second. This energy is millions of times greater than ordinary explosives. That's why a single nuclear bomb can destroy an entire city. The same science that powers nuclear reactors for electricity can, in the wrong hands, bring unimaginable destruction. Section 2. The immediate effects. When an atom bomb explodes, the first thing that happens is the creation of a fireball hotter than the surface of the sun. Everything near it, buildings, metal, and even humans, turns to ash instantly. A blinding flash follows, burning skin and eyes miles away. Next comes the shock wave, traveling faster than sound. It crushes buildings, flips vehicles, and throws debris through the air. Windows shatter, streets vanish. In just seconds, a peaceful city turns into ruins. Then comes the radiation, invisible but deadly. Neutrons and gamma rays spread across the blast zone, killing instantly, or causing severe radiation sickness in those who survive the initial explosion. Section 3. Fallout and radiation. If the bomb explodes near the ground, it sucks soil and dust into the air, turning them radioactive. This radioactive fallout drifts with the wind, covering cities and farmland for miles. People downwind can be exposed without even seeing the explosion. Days later, radiation causes nausea, hair loss, and internal bleeding, known as radiation sickness. Animals and plants also suffer, and contaminated soil can stay dangerous for decades. Section 4. Long-term effects. Months after the blast, survivors may develop cancers caused by radiation. Children may be born with genetic problems. The city's water and air remain unsafe. Rebuilding becomes nearly impossible. Economies collapse, hospitals overflow, and fear spreads faster than any disease. A single atomic explosion doesn't just destroy. It changes life for generations. Section 5. Modern consequences. In today's world, where cities are bigger and more connected than ever, the impact would be far worse. A nuclear blast in one region could trigger global effects, from climate change to economic crashes. Smoke and dust could block sunlight for months, cooling the Earth's surface in what scientists call a nuclear winter. Food production would drop, and millions could face starvation. Section 6. Hope and prevention, but there's still hope. Since World War II, nations have signed treaties to prevent the use of nuclear weapons. Scientists and world leaders continue to work toward peace and disarmament. Because real strength doesn't come from destruction. It comes from understanding, cooperation, and peace. Science gives us power, but with great power comes great responsibility. Let's use science to protect life, not destroy it. If you learned something new today, like and subscribe to Rehman Science, where knowledge brings light, not fear.